Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by saving all numbers under one contact so WhatsApp can list them together. Open your phone contacts, tap New, then add separate phone fields for each number: mobile, work, home. Make sure you include the full country code like +1 or +44 to avoid lookup errors. Once saved, allow contacts to sync and grant WhatsApp permission to read contacts. This ensures the app refreshes its address book and shows every number linked to that single contact right away. Once WhatsApp is refreshed, open the contact within WhatsApp and tap the name to expand the list of numbers. You will see each saved phone entry. Choose the specific number you want to message or call. If you need to test which number is active on WhatsApp, try starting a new chat. WhatsApp will show which numbers are registered. Use labels in contacts like main, alt, office to keep context. That way, you'll pick the right line for voice, text, or business communication without guesswork. To finish, start a chat or add the specific number to a group or broadcast list. Select the number from the expanded contact each time. If WhatsApp doesn't show one of the numbers, reopen contacts, confirm the plus country code, and resave. Sometimes saving again forces detection. Make sure Contact Sync is on, then go to WhatsApp settings and refresh contacts or toggle contact permission off and on. If issues persist, restart the phone. This often clears cache and
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.